Hey guys, Anthony here with a stop motion creator demo and walkthrough. I'm using the Pro version in this demo. In a previous video, I did a stop motion creator review in which I showed you this example of a stop motion video I created. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the user interface. So I've got stop motion creator open here. We start by adding a video clip. You can do so by dragging and dropping the video clip here or double-clicking the button below. The video clip will be imported into the app. In this preview area, you can click the Select Source Video button. If you decide you want to use another video clip, then choose and open the video, and it will convert it and replace the video. Notice that this is a 1-minute video clip. You can use this trim slider if you want to trim your video. You can use these blue sliders to trim the video at the beginning and at the end. And then click the Trim button. You will see the trim entry in the History panel. To delete an entry in the History panel, click the Delete button. Next, we can use this Add Marker button to add freeze and speed markers. Let me start with the speed marker first. You will notice the slider when you choose the speed marker. It goes from 0.25 to 10 times. Essentially, it acts as a time-lapse tool. The higher this number, the faster the speed. So if I choose 5 and click the Complete button and do a quick preview, you will notice that this 1-minute video clip is now a 12-second video in duration. Let me delete this speed marker so I can show you the freeze marker. I'll click the Add Marker button once again. As you can see, the freeze settings are a bit different. You have two values, the duration and the frames density. The lowest value for duration is 0.1, and the lowest value for the frames density is 1. Let me show you a couple of examples of the freeze settings. First, I'll set the duration value to 0.1 and change the value of the frames density to 20. I'll click Complete to apply the settings. Notice the duration of the video clip is reduced to 7 seconds. If I increase the value of the frames density to 50, notice the duration of the video clip is reduced to 2 seconds. And if we preview it, you can see that the stop motion animation is quite fast. So in terms of the freeze settings, when you look at the duration, frame density, and animation, a lower value for duration and higher value for frame density produces a faster animation. A higher value for duration and a lower value for frame density produces a slower animation. It's best to play around with these settings and see what works best for you. By the way, with the Pro version, you can apply multiple markers, as you can see here in the history. Also, you can apply markers at specific time on your video clip. Once you're happy with the stop animation, you can render the video using the Generate button below. You will see this dialog box pop up. First, you choose a format, MP4, MOV, or GIF. Next, you choose the aspect ratio. You also have options for a square video as well as a Facebook page header. Next, you can choose the resolution and finally the frames per second, and then click the Export button. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check my stop motion creator review, and if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.